Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we are diving deep into a cookware set that promises to make your kitchen life significantly easier and more enjoyable. We're talking about the Circulon Radiance Hard Anodized Nonstick Frying Pan Set, a trio of pans designed to handle everything from your morning eggs to your evening stir-fry. This set includes an 8.5-inch pan, a 10-inch pan, and a larger 12.25-inch pan, giving you a versatile range for any cooking task. Let's start with the core promise of this set: durability and superior non-stick performance. Circulon calls this the Total Nonstick System, and it's more than just a coating. It features raised circles on the pan surface. The idea here is that these raised circles reduce contact between the food and the pan's surface, allowing food to glide off with minimal effort. This is coupled with a premium non-stick coating, which Circulon claims lasts 10 times longer than normal non-sticks. This is a bold claim, and in our testing, we'll see how well it holds up over time. The hard anodized construction is another key feature, providing robust durability and, importantly, even heat distribution. This means fewer hot spots on your pan, leading to more consistent cooking results. The set is advertised as being built to last, and the features support this. The pans are oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a great feature for finishing dishes or for recipes that start on the stovetop and move to the oven. The handles are made of stainless steel, they are dual-riveted for extra strength, and designed to provide a comfortable grip. This is crucial for maneuvering the pans, especially when they are full of food. Now, let's talk about cleanup. This is where many non-stick pans fall short, but the Circulon Radiance set boasts dishwasher-safe convenience. This is a huge selling point for busy home cooks who want to spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying their meals. We'll be putting that claim to the test, seeing how well they fare after multiple washes. Let's break down the pros and cons based on the details provided and our initial impressions. On the pro side, the versatility of the 3-pan set is undeniable. You have a small pan for single servings or delicate tasks, a medium pan for everyday use, and a large pan for family meals or when you need more space. The Total Nonstick System with raised circles and the promise of extended durability are significant advantages if they live up to expectations. The oven safety up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit adds another layer of functionality, and the robust, dual-riveted stainless steel handles suggest good ergonomics and long-term stability. Finally, the dishwasher-safe claim, if true, is a major convenience factor. The limited lifetime warranty also provides peace of mind, indicating the manufacturer's confidence in their product. However, there are a few points to consider. The pans are not induction compatible, which is a significant limitation for households that use induction stovetops. While Circulon claims their non-stick lasts 10 times longer than normal, the reality of non-stick coating longevity can vary depending on usage and care. It's always important to use appropriate utensils, avoid extreme temperature changes, and follow manufacturer guidelines for the best results. While the hard anodized construction offers good heat distribution, it's not the same as the evenness provided by materials like cast iron or copper. The gray color, while functional, might not appeal to everyone's aesthetic preferences in the kitchen. In conclusion, the Circulon Radiance Hard Anodized Nonstick Frying Pan Set offers a compelling package of durability, non-stick performance, and convenience. The inclusion of 3 essential sizes, oven safety, and the promise of easy cleanup makes this set a strong contender for anyone looking to upgrade their everyday cookware. While the lack of induction compatibility is a drawback for some, for the majority of home cooks, this set appears to be a solid investment for years of reliable cooking. Link in the description.